The kangaroo is one of the most iconic and remarkable animals in the world. Native to Australia, this marsupial is a symbol of the country's wildlife and a testament to the unique evolutionary path of the continent. Kangaroos are fascinating creatures that thrive in diverse habitats, from grasslands to forests, showcasing incredible adaptations to survive in the wild. Characteristics of kangaroos. Kangaroos belong to the family Macropodidae, which means big foot. This name reflects their large and powerful hind legs, which they use for hopping, their primary mode of movement. Kangaroos are known for their muscular tails, which act as a counterbalance when they hop and serve as a support when they stand or fight. There are four main species of kangaroos. Red kangaroo, the largest and most iconic species. Eastern grey kangaroo, found along Australia's eastern coast. Western grey kangaroo, smaller and found in southern and western regions. Antilopine kangaroo, inhabits northern tropical regions. Adult kangaroos can stand up to 6 feet tall and weigh up to 200 pounds. They have excellent vision and hearing, which help them detect predators in the wild. Habitat and distribution. Kangaroos are found throughout Australia, including Tasmania and nearby islands. They inhabit diverse environments such as grasslands, ideal for grazing. Woodlands, provide shelter and food. Deserts, adapted to harsh, arid conditions. Kangaroos are herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses and other vegetation. Their unique digestive system allows them to extract maximum nutrients from fibrous plants, making them well-suited to the Australian landscape. Movement and locomotion. Kangaroos are renowned for their unique hopping motion, known as saltation. Their powerful hind legs enable them to leap great distances, covering up to 25 feet in a single bound and reaching speeds of 35 miles per hour. This energy-efficient mode of transport is vital for escaping predators and traveling long distances in search of food and water. Reproduction and life cycle. Kangaroos are marsupials, meaning their young, called joeys, are born underdeveloped and complete their development in the mother's pouch. The reproductive process is remarkable. Birth, joeys are born tiny and underdeveloped, about the size of a jelly bean. Pouch stage, the joey crawls into the pouch and latches onto a teat for nourishment. Emerging, after several months, the joey begins to explore the outside world but returns to the pouch for safety and feeding. Independence, by 10 to 12 months, the joey becomes fully independent. A unique feature of kangaroos is embryonic diapause, where the mother can pause the development of an embryo until environmental conditions are favorable. Social behavior. Kangaroos are social animals that live in groups called mobs. A mob can consist of 10 to over 100 individuals, providing safety in numbers. Within the mob, there is a dominant male, known as the boomer, who leads and defends the group. Males often engage in boxing matches to establish dominance. Adaptations for survival. Kangaroos have developed numerous adaptations to thrive in their environment. Efficient water use, they can survive on minimal water by obtaining moisture from their food. Heat regulation, kangaroos lick their forearms to cool down in extreme heat. Powerful legs, used for defense against predators like dingoes and humans. Predators and threats. In the wild, kangaroos face natural predators such as dingoes, Australia's native wild dogs. Eagles, prey on young kangaroos. Human activity poses significant threats through habitat destruction, vehicle collisions, and hunting. Despite this, kangaroo populations are generally stable due to their adaptability and high reproductive rates. Kangaroos and humans. Kangaroos hold a special place in Australian culture, appearing on the country's coat of arms, currency, and logos. They are admired for their strength and resilience. However, they are also a source of conflict in agricultural areas where they compete with livestock for resources. Efforts are underway to balance conservation with managing kangaroo populations. Sustainable hunting practices and habitat restoration are vital for their continued survival. Conservation status. Most kangaroo species are not endangered, but localized populations can be vulnerable due to habitat loss and climate change. Organizations are working to monitor populations and ensure their long-term survival. Fascinating facts about kangaroos. Kangaroos cannot walk backward due to the structure of their legs and tail. They are the only large animals that use hopping as their primary means of locomotion. A group of kangaroos is called a mob, troop, or court. Kangaroos can pause their pregnancies during droughts or food shortages. Their tails are so strong they can support their entire body weight. Importance in the ecosystem. Kangaroos play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of grassland ecosystems. By grazing, they prevent overgrowth and promote biodiversity. Their droppings also enrich the soil, aiding plant growth. The future of kangaroos. As Australia faces environmental challenges, kangaroos' future depends on sustainable practices and conservation efforts. Climate change, urban expansion, and habitat degradation are significant threats. Protecting their habitats and educating communities about their importance can ensure that kangaroos continue to thrive in the wild. Conclusion. Kangaroos are more than just a symbol of Australia, they are a testament to the adaptability and diversity of life on Earth. Their unique biology, social behavior, and ecological role make them one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. By understanding and protecting kangaroos, we can preserve a vital part of Australia's natural heritage for future generations.